Federal appeals court upheld a federal ban on the social media app TikTok, which is set to take effect in January. CBS News Detroit's Heath Kalb is here with us in studio after speaking to some people who are reacting to this locally. Heath?
Yeah, Terrence, if TikTok's Chinese parent company doesn't sell its stake in the app, the very popular video sharing service may be no more here in America. Both Republicans and Democrats have long warned that the Chinese government could use TikTok to spy on and collect data from its roughly 170 million American users, or covertly influence the U.S. public by amplifying or suppressing certain content. But for content creators like Detroit's John Kung, who makes cooking videos on the app, the worry is that Americans could be losing out on something special.
It was our window into the outside world during the pandemic. And from there, so many small businesses and so many different career paths had sprung out of this.
Friday's ruling means that TikTok is one step closer to facing a U.S. ban, unless it can convince Chinese parent company ByteDance to sell and find a buyer by January 19th. And Kung tells me that it would be a crushing blow to the many creators who make a living from the app.
It's hard to see how so many people who have invested so much of their time, their effort, their passions into creating businesses for themselves, as well as creating platforms for themselves through TikTok, is about to lose that almost completely overnight.
I spoke to others in Metro Detroit about their feelings about the potential ban.
No, that's really an addicting thing, and I personally deleted it. I got rid of it recently. My productivity's gone up. I've just had a lot of benefits for it.
But I still use it. I still think it's fun. It gives me something to do when I'm bored. If I'm bored, I don't really know what else I'm gonna do, but TikTok.
TikTok and ByteDance are expected to appeal to the Supreme Court, though it's unclear whether the court will take up the case. Now, it's unknown what the TikTok ban would ultimately look like. The law doesn't call for the app to suddenly be removed from users' phones, but it does require that it be removed from Apple and Google's app stores, meaning American users could no longer download the app or install any new updates. Terrence?
It'll be interesting to see where this goes. TikTok is very, very popular.
Oh, it sure is.
All right, thanks, Heath.